20-25. So we have our referees Jan Lee and Yoni. So good luck to both teams. Play hard, play smart, protect yourselves and protect your opponents as well.
Our boys, again, congrats. We'll definitely try our best to, officiate the game the best way possible. Obviously, there will be times that, maybe there's like bad angle for us that we couldn't see it. So we won't make that call if we don't see it. If you don't blow the whistle, keep playing on. All right. We wanna go ahead and officiate the game the best way that we could. But again, we are not perfect, but we'll try our best. Yeah. Let's play hard, and we'll see how we go. Good luck.
Thank you, and we'll start now. Saan yung official ball natin? Hello. Susunod. Hello. Good luck, both teams. First personal foul, first team foul. First free throw is good, by number 25. Second free throw, no good, rebound by 25. Number 8, tumira, wala. Nakuha ni pasa sa ilalim, wala. Number 9, nagdadala. Tumira, titira ba? Hindi. Number 9 to number 25, tumira ng 3, wala. Rebound by 25. Padilla, Gruspe, balik kay Gruspe, number 9 tumira ng 3, wala, rebound, number 9. 2 points by number 8. Score is 1-2. Tumira. Foul rep. 25. Kenny. 1 personal foul. First personal foul. 2 team fouls. First free throw. Wala. Second free throw ay Padilla. Wala pa rin. rin. Rebound, number 18. Ibares, nagdadala. Ibares, sa lalim kay number 8, wala. Nag-aagawan. Last touch by... So, white ball tayo. Nanat. Gruspe, wala. Rebound by number 7. Number 7. Balik kay Gruspe. Gruspe, tumira ng doors. Pasok. 2 points. 3-2 sa score. Lawang ang Amy. Ibares. Tumira. Pasok. 2 points. By Ibares. Paule. Nanat. Tumira. Wala. Tumira ulit. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Sumuok. And we have a foul. It's foul ref. Padilla. First personal foul, second team foul. 2 free throws by number 8 coming up. First free throw, wala. Second free throw, pasok.
5-3 in favor of Gilas.
5-3. Wala. Pasa kay 22. 22 nag-layup, wala. Napunta kay Nanat. Number 5 and we have a foul. Number 18. First personal foul.
Foul ang
Ilan na? Sub, next sub. Substitution, pasok si number 11. Fouling. Is that a foul or? Number, okay, first personal foul by number 12. Saan ba wala? Ito ba, sabihin dito. Lapit sa bench, lapit sa table.
Sorry.
Inbound. 25, balik kay Derek. Nakuha ni Padilla, pasa kay Easy. Nanat, lamay up. Pasok. And we have a foul. Number 25.
Warning for penalty.
First personal foul. First free throw, pasok.
Ay, balik.
Second free throw coming up. Pasok din. Easy, pasa kay Paule. Lumay up, pasok. 2 points. Ibares, magdadala. Okay. Turnover, number 11, foul. First personal foul. Penalty na pareho. Easy, tumira ng 3. Wala, rebound by 25.
Go.
Bebares, side step, wala. Nakuha ni number 8, 2 points.
9-7. Favor of Gilas.
Number 9, oh, we have a foul. Who's foul rep?
Penalty.
22. Penalty tayo.
Penalty.
First personal foul. Penalty. Substitution.
Substitution rep.
22 out, 18 in. Yung free throws coming. First free throw, pasok. Second free throw. Pasok din.
Tie again.
We have a tie. Number 4. Number 8. Nagaw. Kevin. Steve. Turnover tayo. Last 1 minute, 20 seconds.
Time out.
Number 25. Balik kay Derek. Derek tumira ng dos. Pasok. 2 points.
11-9. Favor of Gilas.
11-9. Last 1 minute. 1 minute left. Kevin, balik kay Padilla. Padilla tumira. Pasok. 2 points. 11 all. Gandang laban. Kay number 8. And we have a foul by 25. Second personal foul. Penalty. Second personal foul. Substitution rep. Shot clock is off. 10 seconds left. First free throw, pasok. Second free throw. Pasok din ang second free throw. Yeah. Alright. Second quarter na.
Shoot!
Hello. Number 8. Turnover tayo. JR, pasa kay TJ. TJ, nagdadala. TJ, to Jason Padilla, tumira, wala. Rebound, number 8. And we have a foul. Foul by number 24. JR. First personal foul. First team foul. Tumira, boarding, pasok. 2 points. Padilla. Balik kay JR, Padilla ulit. TJ, balik kay Kevin, tumira ng 3. And we have a foul. Sino? Who's foul rep? 11. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Inbound by Joe. Joe to Jason. Kevin, tumira ng 3. Pasok. 15-14 is our score. Derek. Number 8, tumira ng 3. Babawi, wala. ni Aldwin, pasa. Nakuha ni TJ. And we have a foul. 25. Sino? 25, yeah? Second personal foul. First, boys team foul. Inbound by Guspe. Pasa kay JR, balik kay Guspe. To TJ. TJ, bounce pass kay Guspe, tumira ng 3, tapos nakuha ni Joe. TJ kay papunta kay Derek, lumay up. Wala, tumira ng 2, pasok. 2 points. 17-14, 3-point lead. TJ kay JR. Save ball. Substitution.
Out, 22 in.
Joe, pasa sa ilalim, naagaw nga ba? And we have a jump ball. Save ball. Substitution. Number 9 in, felt out. JR. Pasa kay TJ, balik kay Easy. Tumira, wala. Agad na po. Number 8 in the rebound. Naagaw. Padilla. Diretso, wala. Number 22, nagmamadali, but we have a foul by JR. Second personal foul. 3 team fouls. Substitution. Erlano in. Inbound by Derek. Aldwin. Balik kay Derek. Tumira ng boss. Na rebound by number 9. TJ with the layup. Pasok. Number 8. Nagagawa ang Liabay Jumbo. Inbound by number 18. 22 to number 4, Derek. And we have a foul, holding foul. Warning for penalty. Fouled by TJ. First personal foul. 22 kay Derek, tumira ng 3 and penalty, 3 shots. First personal foul, penalty. Substitution, meron ba? We have timeout by Gilas. First shot. Pasok. Second shot. Wala. Third shot. Wala rin. Rebound by number 8. 24. JR Agurin, third personal foul. throw, pasok. Second free throw coming up. Second free throw, pasok. Number 9 ang dadala. TJ to Easy to Erlano, wala. Nagmamadali si Kenny, wala. Nakakuha ni JR. Pasa kay 24, wala. Uy. We have a green ball. 45 seconds left. Number 22 to 18. Number 25, wala. Patay putiki. Go. Easy, nagmamadali. We have a foul by number 4. Second personal foul. 20 seconds left. That's it. Shot clock is off. Number 9 to number 8. 10 seconds. Tumira si JR. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni number 8. Pinasa. Now go. And that's it. Bola ng Amy. Olinares. Tumira ng 3. Tignan. Number 25. Number 8, tumira din ng 3. Wala. Number 8. And we have a foul by number 7. 17 pala, 17. Ha? 7 ba? O, tama. Millares, first personal foul. Tumira sino yan? Wala. Number 8 in the rebound. Wala pa rin. Paule. To Olinares. Uy. And 21 foul. So we have an unspo foul. Rep, ano? Papalitan? Okay.
Papalitan ba yun? Papalitan? Aspo lang? Walang 3 minutes, walang gano'n?
Walang box, walang debo. Nasa ref. Ref's decision. Iyan mo. Iyan mo lang. May oras pa naman. Yes.
Ano ba house rules nyo? Wala naman kayo kailangan isip.
Pumasok ba? First free throw, pasok. Second free throw, pasok din. Alright, so same ball pa rin. 3-point lead. Foul by si TJ. personal foul. Naagaw, pasa kay TJ. Dumiretso si TJ. Layup is good, 2 points. Next up. Number 4. Pasa kay 11.
Shoot!
Pasa kay 22. Tumira. Pasok. 2 points.
No!
Tumira si Paolo. Wala. Rebound by 22. Nagdadala. Balik kay number 4. Number 4. Number 11. And we have out of bounds substitution. Pasok si Padilla. Sinong lalabas? Labas si 28. 11 out, 25 in from Gilas. To number 8. Number 8. Pasok sa loob and we have a foul by number 25. Third personal foul.
Personal. Hindi, personal.
2 free throws by 17. First free throw, wala.
Kaya hindi tayo kumuha. Kaya natin maganda.
Second free throw, wala din. Number 22 to 25, wala. Nagagawa. Derek to number 18. Lumaya, wala. Nakuha din ni Derek ulit. Derek to number 8. Nagaw. Paula. Lumaya.
Wala!
Pasok. 2 points. 1 point lead by Gilas. Balik kay wala. Sayang. Pasa kay Padilla.
Wala!
Lumaya, pasok. Lamang ng isa ang Amy. Derek magdadala. Hanap ng papasan, pinasa kay 8, balik kay number 4, tumira ng 3. Wala, rebound by Paula. TJ. Pasa kay Paula. Pasa kay Padilla, lumabas. Reset, balik kay DJ to Milyares, tumira ng 3. Wala, rebound by number 8. Substitution. Nagpipicture saya. Number 4 to 22. 25 Kamira, wala. Rebound by number 12. Padilla. Lumay sa loob, pasok. Bentumiro, wala. Magagawa, nakuha ni TJ, magkadali. TJ. Magagawa ni number 22. To number 8. Crossover. Tumira, wala. But we have a foul. Third personal foul. Substitution. Number na, sinong out? Si Paule out. Easy in. 2 free throws coming up. First free throw, pasok. Second free throw. Wala. Rebound pa niya. Who's foul rep? Number 9. Easy. First personal foul.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty na yung puti. Inbound. To number 22, tumira ng 3. Pasok. Lamang na ulit ang Gilas. 1 point. Respect to DJ. Padilla.
Wala!
Padilla, balik kay Easy. Balik kay TJ, pumasok sa loob. Balik, pasa kay Nanap. Wala, rebound. Magpunta kay ano. And we have a foul. By number 22, second personal foul. 13 foul.
15 seconds.
Shot clock is off, last 15 seconds.
Wala!
Respect.
Wala!
Padilla, pumasok sa loob. Padilla, we have a foul by Albert. Number 18. Second personal foul. Two toes coming up.
Wala. Perfect!
First free throw, wala.
Wala.
Second free throw, wala rin. Inbound, number 4 to 22. Tumira ng 3 si Derek Low. We have a foul. Number 7. Second personal foul. First team foul. Stop. 3 minutes. 2 free throws by number 8. First free throw, pasok. Second free throw, pasok. Easy, lagay up pero may foul tayo. Foul by number 18. Third personal foul. First team foul.
Wala.
First free throw, pasok. Second free throw. Pasok din.
1 point lead para Gilas.
1 point lead na lang. Number 8. Naaga ni Padilla. Mag-isa lang sa ilalim. Pasok. Two points. Salamat na ulit ang Amy. Full court press. Nagpo-full court press ang ulit. Rebound. And one. Who's fouled up? Number 4. Third personal foul. 33-30. Lamang ng Amy. One more free throw. Wala yung free throw pero napunta pa rin sa Amy. Godwin. 22. 22, long way up. Tapos, nagagawan. Patunta kay Easy, Easy. Bunting na mawala. Balik kay Grusbe, Grusbe to Padilla, Padilla. Umikot. And we have a foul. By number 4. Warning, warning. 4 personal fouls. Warning for Godwin. Number 9 kay Padilla. Lumabas. Tumira ng dress, wala. Oh, nakagaw. Millares. We have a foul. Millares. 2 points. Point lead. Kalusa nagmamadali. Kalusa. Wala. Di pumasok. Sayang. Nanat. Nanat. Kay Padilla. Padilla tumira. Wala. Nagaw ni number 8. Number 8. Dumiretso. Malakas. Sayang. Number 12, dumiretso sa loob. 2 points. Point lead. Millares. Pasa kay 22 sa loob. Same goal. 4 minutes left. 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left. Tumira si 22. Kalusa. 5-point lead. 3-3. Padilla. Balik kay Nanat. Nanat. Paule, tumira ng 3.
Wala!
Wala. Rebound by 25. Number 8, lumiyap. Pasok. Tumira. Counted. Third personal foul. Ilang team fouls, ha? 3 team fouls. Padilla, 2 points. And what?
Wala!
Wala. Nakagaw ni Paolo. Kay Kevin.
Wala!
Nanat. Tumira. Oh. Foul by number 8. First personal foul. First personal foul pa lang.
Warning for penalty, Gilas.
Start block na tayo, ha? Nanat. Second free throw coming up. Pasok din. Millares. Pasa kay Kaluza. Kaluza. Pasa kay 25. Tumira. Wala. Nakuha ni number 8. Number 8. Tumira. Wala. But we have a foul. Who's foul rep? 25. That's it for number 25.
Hey, diploma mo! Sa labas!
2 free throws. Pasok yung una. Second free throw. Wala. Nakuha ng 25. Number 25, tumira. Wala. And we have a foul. By number 12. Second personal foul. Timeout, Amy.
Penalty na yan, pareho!
Parehas na penalty na. 2 minutes, 32 seconds left. 2 free throws coming up.
Bibigla akong wala, hatak ko. Malayo pa naman yan. Islang.
First free throw. Wala. Second free throw. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 8. Tumira. Pasok. 2 points and a foul. Number 8. TJ. Third personal foul. Penalty na pareho. And 1. Bonus coming up. Bonus free throw. Wala. Pero nagagawan. Nakuha pa rin niya. Number 8. Tumira si number 25. Mahulakas. Nakuha pa rin ng Gilas. Same goal. Number 22. Number 4. Tumira. Pasok. 2 points. Pupapit na lang, mahaba pa to. 2 minutes left.
Wala.
Number 9, 26. 26.
Wala.
Brusque to number 8.
Wala.
5 seconds shot.
Ay, wala.
Ano?
14 seconds ha. 14 seconds na lang. 14 seconds shot clock.
Wala.
Tumira si Brusque. Wala. Nakuha na ni napunta kayo ng Brusque. Number 8. Dumiretso. Wala. Dito may number 12. Padilla. We have a foul. Penalty. Stop. 2 seconds. 2 shots. Sino foul? Number 8. Fourth personal foul. Warning. Warning for number 8.
Wala.
2 free throws coming for number 26.
Wala.
First free throw. Pasok. Bakasip pa.
Wala.
Second free throw. Wala.
Perfect.
Nagagawa. Ako, nakuha na number 7. 3-point lead. We have a foul. Sino, who's foul left? 25. 25 with 5 personal fouls. Number 25, 5 personal fouls.
Graduate.
2 free throws.
Wala.
First free throw. Wala.
More.
Second free throw.
Keep it up. No.
Second free throw. Wala din. Rebound by Alvin. Alvin, nagdadala. And we have a foul by number 9. Penalty. Second personal foul. Meron pa kayong tigisang timeout. May tigisang timeout pa kayo. Pumasok. Second free throw, wala ka din. 1 minute, 25 seconds left. Padilla. Padilla, pasa kay Gusto. Boss, pasok. Pa 5-point lead. Nakawala. Number 8. Diferensya sa loob. Hindi pumasok at via the foul. Foul. Number 7. Third personal foul. Penalty.
Go, Kuya.
2 free throws. 58 seconds left. First free throw. Wala. Second free throw. Second free throw, pasok. TJ nagdadala, we have 41. 4-point lead.
Wala.
8 seconds left.
Wala.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Violation! Violation!
Tinatawag mo, okay pa ng display.
Okay.
Pero ano na ito sa ano?
Zero na.
Nakatingin ka ba rin? Kasi kung ano ka dapat? Kasi alam nila, nag-1 ka.
Hindi. Dito yun.
Kasi nakandito ka.
Hindi, kaya kinanggang ko. Kinanggang ko siya.
Pero kung sa nalagay ko lang kanina, atin, yun pa. Pero again, yun pa rin. Position mo yan.
Hindi, nag-zero na siya.
Nagplano na lang.
Nag-zero na. Nag-zero.
Yay!
Kinanggang naman eh. 30 seconds. Number 18. Number 4. So number 18, they have a turnover. Shot clock is off. 17 seconds left. Foul by 22.
It's fine.
Fourth personal foul. Warning. Penalty. Warning for graduation. Wala. Wala din. Rebound. Number 4. Agaw. Padilla. To number 12. 2 points. 4 seconds left. Yeah, Padilla.